Want to know how to fix Best Buy Wi-Fi or internet connection not showing? So sometimes Best Buy can have an issue like this. Sometimes could be their server issue as well, or sometimes could be your faulty internet. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it easily. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Best Buy application and you should be under this interface right here. Now if your Best Buy has no internet connection showing up, then what you need to do is you need to just simply hold on to the Best Buy application and then just simply hit on to the app icon. And now on the bottom right side you should be seeing clear data right here, so you can just select that and then say clear cache and then say okay. Now once that is done, any jog files will be removed and your Best Buy should start working normally. So if that still doesn't work, make sure you switch your Wi-Fi and switch into your data, or just simply uninstall and reinstall the application itself. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.